Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on our way to Cresskill, New Jersey. We are going to go do our final walkthrough of that ranch transformation you've been watching over the last couple of months. Today is the final walkthrough video. This place came out amazing. You have to see it. Let's go over there right now. All right, guys, so we just arrived on site, and take a look at how nice this house looks. We just had the whole outside, the driveway pavers installed. We have a carriage style garage door. Look at the front sidewalk. We had a new redirected sidewalk. Take a look at how nice this came out. This is a Cambridge gray paving stone sidewalk, and it just leads up to the front steps. Look at how nice this place came out. I'll give you a wide angle here. All the trim around the windows. This place used to look like that house across the street. Now look at it. We're about 30 days ahead of schedule. We're going to go inside. We're going to take a look at the layout. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, the laundry. Just look at this. This place came out phenomenal. Love the siding, love the accents. This is a 5-inch vinyl exposure. It's a newer style siding application. And we put the 6-inch smooth corners, 3.5-inch trim around all the windows. We have the 8-inch square posts for the lemonade porch. And we also have the front foundation accent stone. But this place really came together. I mean, the detail on this family wanted more space. They wanted an open floor plan. They wanted an open kitchen. They wanted to remove all the bedrooms on the first floor and get an open foyer when you walk in that front door. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you how nice this place looks. Let's take a look at the back patio first before we go inside. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, so as you come out the French wood sliding door, you walk out into the step leading to a 10 by 20 paver area, and you can see how nice this backyard came out. We have the 2 compressors. We have a dual zone system. We have a brand new direct vent hot water heater, and we also have the generator that we rewired, and it's powering the house. And now this particular job, I'm going to show you something here. We had a rear yard setback, and what we ended up doing is stepping in the back wall approximately about 16 inches, and that meets the rear yard setback in order to avoid a variance. And we also have the brand new service going in, 200 amps. Now let's go inside. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, this house came out phenomenal. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to show you the 3 beds, the 2 bathrooms, and the laundry. And we'll show you the open floor plan, the new kitchen. Everything looks amazing. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, let's go inside. I'm going to show you the entryway. This is the mud room leading into the house. And I'm going to close the door here. And as we enter, we set up this custom area, which has coat hooks, shoe rack right over here. You walk in through the door, and as you come in here, we have the space that leads right into the kitchen. We have a window looking outside, and then there's the basement stairs. Now, what used to happen here, this used to be all dead space off of the kitchen, and it was actually like a little room that was open to the kitchen, but they really didn't have much of a use for it. So what they ended up doing is we rerouted the staircase. There used to be a step down right here leading to the basement, and then there was a door going out to the garage. And then again, this was just an open room. So what we did is we rerouted these steps, and as you see, when you come in here off the garage, now it has a much better layout. You walk in, you can hang your coats up, put your shoes in here, and then it leads directly into the kitchen. And take a look at this beautiful kitchen here. This is a Open concept. It has a peninsula right here. And I'll back up just to give you an idea what it looks like. And take a look at this. All the cabinetry, the whole layout. This really came out amazing. This family, they wanted an open concept. They wanted to remove the bedrooms, all the walls on the first floor. Let's look around a little bit more on this first floor, then we'll get back to the kitchen. So guys, take a look at this. Now, you walk in the front door, look at this open floor plan right here. This used to be a bunch of rooms off the side here. There used to be a bedroom in the front, bedroom, another bedroom where we're standing. Then they had a tiny dining room right here, and then a couple of walls, and then the kitchen. They specifically said to us that they wanted an open floor plan. They wanted to walk in, and then everything was open. And what we ended up doing here is creating a nice space. They're going to have their living room area, their dining area, and then the kitchen. Everything opens, and then take a look at this. When you walk in the front door, take a look at this area. So you come in through the front door and look at all this space here, looking towards the dining room. Beautiful open staircase, looking up, and then look at that balcony up there. Beautiful handrails, spindles. We have a chandelier over a very large window, arch-top window, which sits right over the front door. We have a double in-swing door, but look at all this space that this family is going to enjoy. All right, so as we walk in, we have a nice sized closet here under the stairs, coat closet. Look at all that space. So from that door all the way over to that vent, that's all the space here. More coats. They have some shelving over here. And this, they have a light in the closet. And take a look at this. This key activated switch works the chandelier. So if you need to change bulbs, dust it, you hit that switch, it lowers with a boom. A 200-pound winch will lower that chandelier down to our level right here. You can do your maintenance on it, hit the switch again, and it raises the chandelier back up. So take a look through here. This, again, is our most popular package. It's an open floor plan. And as you look around, you can see the crown molding, the recessed lighting, and it really came out amazing with this particular project. And as we get back to the kitchen area, they specifically wanted an open kitchen, and we had a couple of concepts. We originally had an island here, but we ended up creating the peninsula, which gives them more flow through here, a nice open 4-foot area to walk through. They're gonna have all their stools lined up over here. You get 4 or 5 of them in this Eden Island. You can see the overhang right here. This is a quartz material, gray shaker style cabinet, and all the appliances the homeowner picks out. They have them shipped on site. We do the install. They have a beautiful backsplash here. It's just a great layout, a lot of space. It's a lot larger than their old kitchen, a lot more room, a lot more area. And just take a look here, all the space that they have as you're looking around here. It just came out amazing. Let's go on the other side of the first floor. So guys, this area was actually comprised of 3 bedrooms. They had a bedroom in the front, a bedroom in the back. There was a closet bank over here, closets for this room, closets for that room. There was another small bedroom right here in this area. And then the bathroom was the actual bathroom, but we shortened it up. There used to be a closet bank over here for this bedroom. And what we did is we opened it all up. This is their den. They're going to have their wall mount TV over here. And it looks right into straight ahead to the kitchen. It gives separation from the living room. And it's just a great space, more recessed lighting, more crown molding, oversized windows. And this is what they envisioned. They wanted a lot of space. They wanted a lot more room. They wanted to open the whole first floor up for entertaining. And then they brought the bedrooms upstairs, 3 beds, 2 baths, and a laundry, which we're going to get to right now. All right, guys, we had the bathroom, the original bathroom, remodeled. We had a new vanity, new toilet, a new tub. We did the tile over. They wanted to keep a window in the first floor, and we had the new tiling put up, and it just came out really nice, new paint, and you can see the mirror. This place really came out nice. All right, guys, so now we're gonna make our way upstairs. We have an open foyer, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry. This place came out amazing. Let's go up there. Take a look at the railings going up with our balcony. It comes in about 10 feet, and then it starts the balcony where you can look down and look at all the crown molding, the woodwork. And as we make our way up there, we get up to the top foyer, and we have 4 doors, 5 doors here. You have the bedroom, bathroom, and the laundry, and then the master bedroom. This bedroom right here has a Jack and Jill door into the bathroom. So there's a door going in from the hall, a door going into the bedroom. And let's go into the first bedroom right here, and we'll take a look. All right, so here is the finished bedroom. It's a great sized bedroom, oversized windows. This particular house, on the front, they had the 6-over-1 grill. And then we also installed the closet organizer package. And every job is a little different from the other, but you can see we have the 4 poles, shelving, top shelf, and it fits in there nicely. Just move your furniture in, put your clothes in there, and you're all set. Okay, bedroom number 2. And same thing, great sized bedroom. Same size closet as the other room. This one has a Jack and Jill door into the bathroom and another closet set up. And you can see how nice this came out. So a lot of times we're able to create a Jack and Jill door from one of the bedrooms leading into the hallway bathroom. So that's the case here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Bathroom, and we'll turn on the light here. We have a couple cans of paint sitting here. But as we take a look at, we have a 5-foot vanity and the mirror that comes with the vanity. And as you look in here, we have full-size bathroom, a door leading into the bedroom. And as we step in further, we have the tub area, custom tile work, corner shelves. We also have a handheld on this particular unit. There's the valve right here, and it's all set up, nice and neat, cleaned up. Take a look at that beautiful vanity. It's painted, tile work is complete. We have the towel bars on, everything is all set. All right, guys, so if the room allows it and the square footage is big enough, we can put a full-size laundry. In this case, we have a laundry room, not just a laundry closet. So we're gonna go in there, I'll show you. We also have a pull down stairs leading to the attic. So let's take a look. Okay, so as we're stepping in here, let me turn the light on. And now we have a linen closet in here for the top floor. You can never have enough closets. And as we look in here, we also have our sub panel for all the breakers on the 2nd floor. We have our pull down stairs. And then we have our connections for our laundry. They're gonna have the washing machine right here. We have our water hookup. We have our dryer right here. We have a window for some light. They obviously have a light in the ceiling and HVAC. So this really came out nice. It's an option that when you do have enough square footage, you can get something like this particular laundry room in your project as well. So let's take a look now at the master bedroom bathroom suite. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the master bedroom bathroom suite. And as we walk in here, this is a great size room, lots of windows, moldings, but look at that ceiling. When we framed this out, I knew this was gonna look amazing with that beautiful light up there. Look at the angles. You walk in here, it just gives a lot of volume. And as we turn around, look at the size of this room, this master bedroom suite. We have an alarm here for the house. And then we have 2 closet setups, his and hers closets, and then the master bathroom straight ahead. Look at the finish. Everything is painted. Floors are done. The doors and the moldings have a spray finish, so it almost looks like it came from the factory, baked on. But this place really came out nice. The recessed lighting all the way around. Let's take a look at our first closet. All right, guys, so this is the larger of the two closets, and when you walk in here, we have all custom closets. My crews make these. It's wrapped around. We have the double bars on each side here, a row of shelving. We have more shelving under the window and another row of shelves and bars on the other side. There's a top shelf going all the way across. Lots of space, floor space here. I mean, there's a lot of space for the homeowner to store their items in this closet. Okay, so let's take a look at the second walk-in closet in this master bedroom bathroom suite. Okay, so as we walk in, it's a great size closet here as well. And we have a row of shelves, another top shelf, 4 bars going all the way across, and full shelf rack over here. And then we have a bench with a shoe rack underneath, more space, lots of shelves, and this is really gonna get filled up nicely. They're gonna have a lot of space. I'm assuming this is the smaller one. He'll probably get this one, and his wife will get the larger closet. All right, here we go. So it's all finished. We have an espresso double vanity with a full mirror, and as we walk in here, it's a great size bathroom, toilet area. We have the custom shower, and over here we have the soak tub, which looks right into the master bedroom. And as you look right here, take a look at how nice this came out, this beautiful vanity set. And then over here we have the soak tub with the self-standing faucet with the handheld right underneath an awning window. We have our towel bars in place, robe hooks, and just came out really, really nice. Let's take a look at the shower. All right, so this is a common setup for us. What we will do is we'll make the custom shower. It's a custom pan. All the tiling is installed. And then with this particular setup, we'll have a handheld on the wall and then a rain head in the ceiling. We'll have a dual purpose single valve lever, and that valve right there will switch the function between the handheld and the rain head. And it's a nice little setup that we install for all our master bathrooms. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this entire home transformation series. We just completed it, and if you and your families are interested in an entire home transformation in New Jersey, you can give us a call. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione. My number is 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. You could email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. It's right there, info@pangionedevelopers.info. Put it to my attention. Again, our number one more time is 201-774-3733. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.